Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm changing the window regulator for my window. You might have the same problem with yours. It won't go up, and when you press the up button, it like stutters. So here's what I've got to do. So as you can see in here, there's these little, let's see if it'll focus here. You see all these little pieces that are in here? These are all the plugs. So they need 3 plugs and it catches it. And as videos I've seen in the past, this is the main problem. So let me grab my pliers with me. And let's get all these little pieces out of here. So they're split into little tiny pieces. A whole bunch. So I'm just gonna tip it over and see if I can get it out. Yeah, look at all those little pieces that are coming out of there. There's little ones in here too that I have to grab out. Yeah. All this old lube too. Let me replace that. I got a new tub of lube. I'm gonna replace that. I've been tired of my window freaking not going up and down, so I'm gonna fix that up. All these little pieces are all shattered and stuck in here. It's all gross and stuff. Yeah, so alright, so I'm gonna clean this out and then I'll show you install. Hey guys, so I've cleaned this out already. There's still another piece I need to clean out, but as you can see, like, I literally have all these little pieces everywhere, and these are from the original plugs. And who knows when the last time the owner of this Bronco changed out the plugs. Like, they could have been in there for a long time, although I think they changed it. But as you can see, I've gone with these metal ball bearings. They are 11 millimeters, and that way they fit in here, and they're not an exact fit, but they will do the job, and they will last you way longer than if you just get replacement bearings. So give me 1 second. I'm gonna open the bag and I'll show you how to put casing back in. I put that back in there. See, it's gonna work smoothly. The balls are in place. I've greased it up. Got all the loose parts. I'm gonna put this back on here, and I'm gonna go get my screwdriver. Let's see, there we go. And I'm gonna come back over here. I'm just gonna go ahead and screw this back on. And you want it to be snug, but you don't want it to be overly snug. Okay. Perfect, got it back. Now see, this is all set and not gonna move. And it's gonna be even more secure once you put it back into the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. And I'm gonna get this back in the car, and hopefully the window now works. See, I've set this here so that you don't have problems with the window coming up and down on you. That's just gonna hold it in place. You can see I've reconnected the switch. I've screwed all of them back in, and as you can see, this was not a hole before, and the screw was back there. So there was a little like center punch hole, I guess. I don't even know what it was. But I took my screwdriver, I made a small hole, and then I got my hammer in there, and I just kind of made my way. It doesn't look great, but thankfully we have a door cover that covers all this wiring and everything, so you can't even see it. That way the next time you go to fix your regulator or whatever's inside of there, the motor or whatever, then you have an easy way to take it out. And this one I had to move the metal too. I don't even know how they got it in there, to be honest with you, with all this metal in the way they screwed it in. But you know, we figured out a way, we did it. But so we screwed it in, and I still haven't tested it, so we're about to test it for the first time right now. About to put the keys in, turn it on, go to the switch. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is perfect. Before even going up or down. That is, oh my gosh, that's amazing. There you have it, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll clarify any of those in the comments, but yeah, just let me know.